Hello po, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Today is Sunday, November 9. Is it November 9? May Jaden. Good morning! Good morning! Uy! Smell naman yan! November 9. Tama ba? Tingnan ko nga. Gandanin ako pa yung date. Yeah, November 9. So, hindi na naman tayo mag-church. Ay, 2 weeks. No, not 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. 2 weeks na hindi kami nakapag-church. Kasi, pare-parehong nagkasakit. Nauna na si Janaya. Tapos si Mama. Tapos si Jaden. Ngayon naman si Daddy. No, Friday lang. Hirap pag si Daddy nagkasakit. Opo. Opo. Hi. Di ka man lang tumatawa. Di ka man lang tumatawa. Feel that. Oh, don't cry. Feel better lang ni Jaden kahapon. Pero may sipon pa rin, may halak pa rin.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Can you see yourself, Tom? Can you see yourself? Tayo na tayo. Tayo na tayo. Na, let's go up and see Daddy. Okay, let's go. Ito pala ang gamot ni Jaden. Si Janaya, pareho lang din. Tylenol din, pero pang 2 years old to 11 years old. Tylenol. Si Daddy, Tylenol din. Let's go. And go to Daddy. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Oh, Daddy's here. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Ba? Hindi na mo. Wala mo, tuto. Ay ba? Hi, Daddy.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Ayan, tignan.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza.
Uy. Suplado
It's
mo.
a fruit and you
Suplado mo.
know that.
Jaden.
Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Uy. 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 Ayaw na. Ayaw na.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Good morning! Gising na si Naya around 9:30. Tapos ngayon ay mag-brunch na tayo. Kasi 10:30 na. Ano naman brunch? Palmasal pa din. Sinangag. Haggard look ni Daddy. Ang hirap na may sakit. Lamig. First snowfall here in Ottawa. Hindi man nakikita. Pero puti na yung baba. Pero wet siya. Naging wet na siya. Meron pa din. Naging ulan. Basa. Basa yung snow. Malamig. So, Huh?
Did you put something in your lips?
No, it's just dry. Baka laway.
Did you put lipstick?
Yeah. I like my mama.
Can I see? Yeah. Are you shadow of daddy? Whenever daddy is, you're there.
Yeah.
You love daddy.
Mommy Dado.
You love daddy. Who do you love most? Daddy or mommy?
I love mommy.
How about daddy?
I love daddy.
Who you love more?
Mama and Dad.
Mommy and Jaden. Galing sumagot ah.
Hello.
Hi. You say it's snowing outside.
Yes.
Is it cold outside?
Yes.
We just need to stay at home, eh? Don't go outside.
Mm-hmm.
Show it to them how to fish. Fish.
I got them.
Mag-formers yan.
Yeah.
And she's using a small tape measure.
Yeah.
Okay, one more. Do it again.
I got it. I got it.
Di,
Got it.
di makapagpahinga na maayos si daddy.
Yeah.
Yung anino niya. Nasaan si daddy? Din si Janaya. Anino pa more.
One more.
Oh, lumalakas na. Hindi masyadong halata pero mas malakas na siyang yan. Yan ang snow. Hindi na siya ganun siguro ka wet snow. Hindi na siya ulan like yellow na talaga. Snowing na, yeah?
I can't see it.
Now you give some to Wale. No, only one. Not so much. Thank you, ate. Kagising lang ni Jaden. How about you, ate? You don't want to sleep?
No. I just wake up.
You just woke up. I don't think so. It's Jaden who's just wake up. Alas 4 pa lang ng hapon. Pero, naka-turn on na yung ilaw namin kasi ang dilim. Sobra. Lumalakas na yung snow. Yung verdict nila is 10 cm daw ang taas. I'll give some to Wale. He's hungry. Give some to Wale. He's hungry. No. Give some to Wale. He's hungry. He wants to hold it. Oh no.
Open your mouth. Did you take it, Mommy?
Maybe there's more in his mouth. You wait until he finish what's in his mouth. Okay, one more. It's done. Give him another one. See? Oopsie. You help him.
You got me.
Help him. No, help him.
Thua chàng. Nè.
Okay, one more. Give him one more. See?
Yeah. To open his mouth.
Yeah, he opened his mouth.
To do that, Gregor. It's all for baby.
Yeah. Na ang snow the next day. Lamig ah. Ako nag-jacket. Ito na ang snow the next day. There. 10 centimeter. Tingnan natin sa kabila kung nakalak din. Okay. Yan na ang snow. Handa. Kotse ni Daddy. Ayun. So, ganito ang snow.